up to the eye of my mountain. Until you reach my peak, baby, baby, peak.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're heading on the road. We're going to Rapid Rivers in Trelawney, right? And it's just gonna be a fun day as usual. You guys know that these vlogs are always lit, right guys? Yes! So just journey with us today. So our first stop is Tasty's. We're gonna get some food because of your hungry belly people in here. I would know this already. So
and I hope you don't cut this out. Hungry belly is she and she is hungry belly.
So yeah, let's go get some food and then we'll hit the road guys. So see you on the way.
Better you fuck somebody.
So we'll stop with that. Stop, take picture on the road guys. So much things are going on. Yeah, Jada. Yeah, money. Hi guys. What a 13. Use it now?
Jada. Mama Eddie. Stock Ashley. Ayaw. Alright.
So guys, we're all by the Welcome to Trelawney sign, as you can see here, taking some pics and ting. Yeah, but this is a celebrity in the world.
Oh god.
So yes. Yeah girl. And then we're gonna do TikToks as well.
Okay, sir?
Yes.
Good.
Batteries. You know when you come on the road with us. Abilities. So guys, follow me on TikTok at Couture Shanz. I'm gonna post a TikTok right here that we did. You can go on and check it out, okay? Okay, so we've got all the pics, we got all the TikToks, and now we're actually heading to the location, guys. So come along. Turn.
So them were live. Nice Peter get cut out the Trelawney.
Yeah. Wonderful.
Yes, that's the air.
I'm not a picture.
No, but me not say no because Jojo no and she cut out.
No, I did not. But it's a different thing. we're gonna sign away our lives. If anything happens to us, they're not liable. So yeah. Sign away your life, girl. And we have the beach all the way over there. Can barely see, but yeah, the beach level. So we're gonna get in a bus and then they're gonna take us to the location. I'm gonna sign it. Here.
Alright, guys, whatever you don't want to wet or you get loose,
Yes.
you leave it in your car and lock it up.
Okay, you're the salesman. You're the salesman. I try to get over by the little phone case. But yeah, guys, if you're coming, be sure to take your water shoes. Be sure to take your waterproof case, as he said. And you're going to come to this lagoon place. I'll try and find the name and put it here to change off into like a swimmer and stuff, because as you can see, girl in our swimsuits. Oh crap, I forgot to put my outfit of the day. So I'm basically wearing this two-piece set that I got from we can't manage them fit there. So yeah, I'm wearing a two-piece set that I got from the clothing finder on Instagram. Big up yourself, Sharon. She has timeless pieces, guys. Go and hit her up. I'm gonna put her name right here. So if you stop Fergie, come to me. Like Fergie doing that outfit of the day. And then I'm going to change so we can get going to the location, guys. So I'm gonna take you along with me. I don't got no waterproof case. I don't know if the phone I drop or just so. But yeah, we do it for the vlog.
I don't know which part this is because I did that.
Out to the sea.
I'm just
Two-piece set.
okay, but that's
Outfit of the day. Outfit of the day. Get an outfit of the day. Outfit of the day. She's wearing
outfit from she is. I'm about to
I'm
buy
so
a
sorry, I'm not
Couture.
even ready.
yes. Come Jenna, get an
Oh.
outfit of the day.
Shein. I don't remember. Zara.
Okay, so I'm wearing a two-piece set from the clothing finery. These shoes, these canvas shoes I got off Amazon. This bag is from Couture. Like jewelry, I don't remember. And yeah, that's it. That's it. Come, Jada.
From Crossroads.
Yeah, man, it's definitely.
Dogaton.
Yeah, man.
A blouse from Forest.
I'm done, guys. I'm done.
You've been kayaking or and
Or
and private beach and another one.
okay. So we're all changed and we're gonna head to the actual location now. Yeah. Hello, but I like no rough water and them someday, no. Got that girl, dude. Come here, Joe.
Yeah, I just look like myself as a.
You tell us
But I
some
think
of
you
them.
never have none for your belly.
You asked and I said yeah.
I see him some man coming
But I don't
14
really
and I
make-
eat it.
I don't really wear things with
Yeah, I eat man bad.
I'm alright. I have some eat them, but
I don't like to see them. Come on, them.
come, we don't want to get left. Come, step it, step.
Where? Pelican?
Guys, we're up on a piece of bad road.
I didn't look boat them. I go carry you go up there. Yeah, how far is it?
Hello, I'm not go out there. So next thing got broke down with me in the river. Hello, how long it out there? Them would they probably rotten by now. I'm not go out there.
Actually, sturdy now.
Angela, come back phone on the tour. Miss you again.
Not the lady that speaks on the phone is so pleasant. The lady for here, sir.
Customer service is A1. Hi,
Hello.
good day.
Other one here we want to go on this.
Like you.
Yeah.
We
No
can't
problem.
manage, you know.
Because what is the other one? Is that a tube or what?
If you want fun.
The tube.
Alright, I phone we want.
Sounds very dangerous.
See if it come first.
May I get vest too? What's the name
All
on yours?
everything.
Okay.
Put on. Start me out. What's the name on yours?
Suit me up. Suit me up.
How much time we go on for anything?
I'm head too big for
You
this.
have to go down 3 miles from the river.
And then we are.
45 minutes to hour.
Is it rough?
Some part.
Oh, so it has a splash up?
Yes.
Wow.
You can swim.
I feel so excited.
We can't swim, sir.
The
It's
thing
a
is,
drop out.
Oh, we don't have no life jacket.
No, we'll get life jacket.
What is it?
But you, but you
no.
see, oh yeah, ask all of the questions there.
internet.
Wow.
Oh, you don't want to get it wet.
Wow.
Oh, but you no, you're going now.
Sister walk with Wi-Fi. We take our boo from the river. That's real love, Steph.
Protect the team.
Steph, that is real love. That's what we
In a
all
little bit
about.
bag.
So we're just getting geared up. Then give us some helmet. I don't know what for. I'm worried. I'm scared. I got zip line, guys. I know where we need for. And we're going to get some life vests and then hopefully we're fully protected.
Phone never supposed to be water resistant.
I might be here. Fergie, your shoes are kicked up?
No, sir.
I'm rolling it down.
That my lip with that. That's my hair will have to see that river.
You can swim.
No.
You see you swim me down.
No, we can't swim.
Put me
sir.
down too.
Are you making gun
No
there?
need for can't swim, right?
Me not
We
gonna
good,
put me
right?
down though.
Yes. I can't swim. One of my goals this year is to learn how to swim. So I'm working on that. Can I get a tube, please? Can I get a blue tube, please? Why not? It depends on my body. Oh my god, them give me green tube. I never like green. Okay, sir. Thank you. Next thing this girl will guys. Why? Help! It's always that serious. Me can't even see myself.
Yeah, man.
Strong arms.
Oh God, you man.
Wait, sorry. Wait. Guys, look how we are walking. Wait, no, who are she at the bridge? Who are she at the bridge?
The fit, only the strong will survive this. Show me a tube, guys. Woo! Tubes up.
Damn. I'm just resting my hands, guys. So we've been walking for like half an hour. And now we can't reach.
Wow.
My tour guide was so helpful to bring my tube for me so I don't have to. So I'm loving that. But the tube them heavy still, I'm not lie. The tube them heavy.
Heavy bad.
Yeah. And your red one.
Struggle.
That look like it's heavy, man. That's you need to get a trolley and bring these tubes up. Cause this is torture. Look like we almost reached the river still, so that is a good sign. And that'll be your mosquito, guys. So bring your insect repellent. You're nasty. Nasty and nasty. I mean, if you're ball, you're not wicked. And to get deeper. Guys, let me join me out. You know that.
Yes, girl. I say you angle it.
Guys, them nearly drowned me. Never seen it. Never almost drowned me. But I won't lie, it was fun.
Take the time, go back up.
This is not Biggs.
Who is this?
This is Andre.
Andre slash Biggs. You never come? Ask for Andre slash Biggs.
Andre the Giant.
Okay, see
You
there?
see? Yeah.
Big up yourself. The river is just so peaceful, guys.
Oh, yeah. Girl, man, it drop.
So all them farm one cage thingy. What for cage thingy, sir?
We got the phone already.
What do you mean you don't have the phone? Oh my god. Calm down! Calm down! Calm down! Yeah, manage enough, sir. Hold up on the rope, please. Hold up on the rope. Hold up on the rope. Okay. Over here, calm like a cucumber, guys.
So what's right here? Oh, at the start this. What do you have to say?
I don't remember.
Come in, Enoch.
Oh, I'm reach over here, so.
Oh, what going there, sir?
Hey guys! This is not a race! Patrice, this is not a race! Calm down! No, it's fine, go! Stop it! Come on!
Start the video. You go again? You go far down? Girls drums.
Okay, should I do it?
Don't feel good.
Ready? It feel good.
Steph, just go. It's fine. YOLO, Steph. YOLO. But it's fine. I'm gonna do it too, girl. YOLO.
I'm gonna try again.
YOLO.
You can do it.
YOLO, Steph. YOLO.
I'm gonna screech in this business.
Come before me.
No.
2 hours later.
Come behind your filter.
I know, right? Show them what it's done. What's your If you ever turn back, you see?
This is the life, guys. This is the life.
On the river. Meet me by the river.
Just to enjoy ourselves on the tube, guys. Must be nice. Madam, nice. Enjoy your money, girl. Can meet me by the river. Thank you.
I feel like
My paddle right here.
Oh, what is that?
Bubbles. Come again, come again. Cheese. Listen. They want paddle out there, so though.
When you say paddle, you paddle. That's
You can't paddle and video at the same time. I'm going to put this.
You're gonna stay on one side.
Oh,
You're gonna do two sides. Don't switch sides.
Okay,
Decide
just-
the paddle and stay on that side.
Okay, paddle, guys, paddle.
This camera lady, how is she?
She's not doing nothing.
But Jesus, how she had to have to herself?
She will make a lead with.
Oh, wait, I'm leading. I didn't know I was leading, y'all.
She not leave me.
Fergie, go over me, go over. Left.
The boat lead from the back.
Oh, sorry, sir. So what me a paddle from then if you paddle? Paddle. Come go race. Y'all want to race? Go race then. Come. Come guys. The game is like that. Go. Go. To the left. To the left. 2, 3. Come on. And ease off our boat now, man.
Hey, don't give me the face you talking. Oh.
Come guys, let's
You know
go.
what I will do? I will just
Why I'm so wicked? Share this. Thank you. We made it, guys. No. Step back. Step lion. I go step. I'm supposed to save her. Yeah, they're on there. Weird. But are you okay? What's up? What's up? Am I gonna look first? What's up? Guys, look how far we come from. We are around there, so literally we are around there. All over there. It was fun, so wash off, change your clothes, and try to find something to eat. So I'll see you back in a few. So we're done for the day. Listen, I'd recommend everybody coming to Rapid Rivers. It was so much fun. Listen, my energy low right now because I'm hungry. But I'm gonna say it's fun. It was. I was saying, what would you rate it, John?
I'll give it a strong 9.
Strong 9. That's how good it was. Yes. You hear that, guys? A strong 9. Yeah, but I give it that. It was so much fun. We never have no complaints.
No complaints.
Like what? Like what?
The rafting thing.
They can't control that. They can't control the river. So it is what it is.
Guys, my shoulders hurt.
Oh yeah, that was a bit uncomfortable, but I guess it was because of how we were like sitting. But other than that,
Yeah,
it was fun.
Yeah. Strong 9.
Strong 9 out of 10, guys. You should check it out. Tell them so we'll come back, but I don't know about it. So yeah, we're going to look some food and we'll catch you back in a bit. I got that. Guys, we're in KFC trying to get some food. It'll take forever to catch me, so we are still eat? I'm not eating stuff. Stop.
If you can
3,000. So the hungry man. So we're just gonna get some food, chips, chit. So we're just gonna get some food and then we're going to the...
Can we use it here?
Y'all come and make a tap boys. Oh yes, I cock up in a chain on the Pacific. Shot in your head to make your life Spanish. You got the currency now, you see. Pretty face, you're mad them for days. Y'all come and make a tap boys. Oh yes, I cock up in a chain.
Guys, we're on the tour. No, them serious Spanish tour, guys. Watch them. Hey. So guys, we've come to the end of today's vlog. It was a lit trip, right guys? Right?
Oh yeah.
You gotta do that again.
Yes. If you made it thus far into the video, don't forget to leave a like, leave a comment, share, and subscribe, guys. And I'll see
Hit that like button.
Yeah. Subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.